hand forge. So it doesn't take whenever you're doing your final heat up.
Welcome back to Forge Friday. It's Friday the 13th of December. As usual on Forge Fridays, we'll be bouncing around a little bit, but on this one, we'll be mainly focusing on the garden trowel that Doc is forging out of a piece of leaf spring. I have to keep the audio turned down a bit because we have music playing in the background, and it's not royalty free. If you're a blacksmith in the mid-Missouri area and interested in taking part in Forge Friday, send me a message and we'll work out the details. As you can see, Doc's shop's kind of small for the amount of people that we have spectating here. He's currently planning to move his shop up to a larger building just up the hill. That way he'll have more room for multiple smithing stations. I love the rustic look of his current shop, and I hope we can keep that look in the new shop. I'll put on a bit of light music to mask the sound of the other music playing in the background. Not sure if you can tell, but Doc really likes rolling with a big fire. Most of the time you won't forge with this big of a fire in coal, unless you're really trying to do a lot of really fast, hot work and get done quickly, or forge welding. But Doc spends most of his time forging with a really hot fire, and he's well used to it by this point. But if you're not careful, you can easily burn up your metal. I'm still working on my camera work. I'm trying to make sure I can get in good angles and to make a good high quality video for you guys. If you have any tips or tricks that you might suggest, I'm willing to hear you out.
I can see this thing. The Scott told me what?
As you can see, the trowel turned out quite nice. Doc's getting really good at making these. Now we're going to move on to a little bit of forge welding practice. Mostly demonstrating for a lot of people that are in the shop that are not smiths. They've never seen forge welding in person.
I'm good. I'm good. So what you put all in? Flux? It's borax, boric acid, there are a lot of different kind of fluxes. steel with powder down. It's got a little bit of powder down. The flux passes. Yeah, that's right. We can't get to 88 miles an hour. Oh, well, I'll have to cool off. 6 point. You got a hammer there? Yep. 6.3 gigawatts. And I think that's good. Yeah, let's do it on the handle. I like the handle better. You still want me to tap? Sure. Let's see. All right. Let me get the lipstick. Here we go. Hit. Break it loose. A little bit. Did you see that picture of the rivet weld? What? The rivet weld? Oh, that you sent? Yeah, instead of doing drop down, you make the spark and then you drill through and then put a rivet through. I've done that. I do that kind of stuff. I try to make it so that it's easy sometimes. Yeah. We had a forge welding competition. Everyone forge welded.
That was a fun night.
That was a fun night.
And the newest person at blacksmithing did the best.
I thought Scott's was the best.
No, Matthews was.
Was it?
As you can see, the forge weld turned out pretty good. Doc's getting really good at his forge welds. He's been doing it for years. Here's a little bit of video from Kris's project, making a hummingbird out of a split cross that we didn't trim off the other leg. He's been practicing a lot with split crosses and tinkering with the hummingbirds. Turned out really nice, simple, and elegant. And as always, thanks for watching. Hope you like it. If you did, hit the like, share, and subscribe, and share it with your friends. As always, forge on, my friends.